Writing concisely. Writing concisely will improve your work by keeping your point focused, ensuring your arguments flow clearly, and helping you stay with the word allowance of your assignment. Let's suppose you have to do a case study, a research study, not what you have decided, but something that is new to you. Here, if you keep your comments concise, it will help you more. If you are explaining needless, nobody is going to read that and nobody is going to make any sense of your research. But you have given the exact information that people are looking for, they will definitely like it. For example, have you ever seen those Google snippets? No idea what I'm talking about? Let me show you. So, for example, if I just write how to improve communication skills, you see these? These are called snippets. Now, because if you are interested in these things, you understood these pointers, you might go with this website. That is why your research is important. Where did I go? Okay, so that is what I was talking about. You have to give very concise information. If your concise information is right, people will definitely read that. Okay, so keeping your point focused, ensuring your arguments flow clearly, helping you stay within the word allowance of your assignment. Be brief. Extra words, long words, unnecessary phrases, they all are not so good in writing. Sometimes you must have seen in some of the school books, every book has very concise topics, but whenever we take the help book, it has some topics that are not even relatable. That is not good. Same way, you have to make your research in a way that everything is making sense. Use word fully understood by you. So use those words which you understand, which as a reader you can understand. Okay. So while there is nothing wrong with using advanced vocabulary, always prioritize clarity and precision. I gave you example last day, unpleasant or obnoxious, and you picked unpleasant. Unpleasant is also not simple vocabulary, it is intermediate somewhere, right? But even if you're going for the advanced word, you have to look for it, whether people know it or not. But I guess in your field, you can use your keywords, your niche words, right? Try to write in active voice. This is very clear to you till now, I believe. Okay, use qualifiers and intensifiers properly. Qualifiers are the words like to, most, better, which talk about the quality of something, adjective, using words. And then there are intensifiers. What are intensifiers?
Intensifiers might be, for example, very, too much, much more. Those like produce very strong sentences.
Right? Those kind of words are intensifiers. So use these kind of word qualifiers, intensifiers. They are almost same. They focus on what they are saying. So use them very clearly. Okay. Use very sentences. It is not like you have to use all the sentences short. You can make complex sentences also. So it varies on what detail you have. So use all kind of sentences. Okay, in a paragraph. Watch out for nominalization. Nominalization means that you are giving only those words which are necessary. For example, gave an assessment of and single word assessed. So nominalize your word. Use only those words which you feel like that they are apt to be used. Focus on your thesis. Again, you do not have to write everything that comes relatively. If you are writing about the economy of cricket, you are not going to write about cricket. You know this. You will write about the economic perspective only. So stay with that. Okay. This will guide the rest of your paper since every point you make should add to your argument. If something is your work is not relevant, in your work is not relevant to your thesis, consider whether it needs to be there. Okay. Avoid redundancy and repetition. This is same. Everything that you're writing, try to use limited words. They make sense. For example, if I say the car was green in color, but what if I say the car was green? Do I have to write in color? Green is referred to color only. If I say the car was tall, and if I say the car was tall as if it was Eiffel Tower, that is not needed. Tall means people know what is tall. So just take care of these repetition or redundancy. Redundancy means again limitizing your words. Don't make more words when you can use less.